What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and y'all see what it is. We're out here at IAA, and today we're going to get into a quick walk around and see, looking at a few different vehicles, if there's anything of interest for me. So without further ado, let's get into it. Things first, ladies and gentlemen, how about a Ford F350? Now this one looks like it has a little bit of a lift on it with stock tires. It does have the Triton V8. I've never been a fan of that if it's the 3-valve engine. But headlights look like they've been reconditioned. Fairly clean. The paint is whatever. When you get one this old, it just is what it is. It is a Lariat. How's the bed look? It's got water and stuff in it. Nothing too crazy. How about inside the cab? Leather seats that have been farted into existence. Farted into oblivion. Not existence. Jesus. Love that. Someone's probably had that thing buckled for like 10 years so they didn't have to hear the ding, 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 ding. Oh, wow. All that's missing. That's unplugged. I'm going to guess, even though it says runner, it doesn't run. Yeah. All right. Well, I mean, not absolutely horrible, but I mean, the lift and stuff is kind of cool to see it that high up. And I don't think that's a stock lift. It's probably just a leveling kit, whatever, but oof. Doesn't smell bad. I don't know. You guys are going to have to let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. I don't know. There goes my dude right there. He be moving, man. He don't fuck around, man. He be getting stuff in and out of here like it ain't nothing, man. Oh, yeah, so it is a non-runner. 2001 Super Crew. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. With the truck theme, we have a Toyota Sequoia. I'm assuming that's what this is, right? Yeah. A Toyota Sequoia. Looks like I got keyed down the side. Okay. Any other crazy damage I need to see? Nope. Got the Force V8, 5.7 V8 in it. Not known for mileage, but reliability-wise, those engines from Toyota are a beast. I am seriously considering buying a slightly older... Wow, hold on, let me see. How many license plates we got here? 1, 2, 3 different plates. I wonder what they were doing with this. Hashtag trafficking. This is a little loose. Don't like that. Maybe a little rust up there. It does have the JBL synthesis. Okay. Seats are cloth with a leather armrest. Does have an auxiliary cable that goes somewhere that's plugged in. She is dead as a doornail. And no, guys, before you get on to me about the jump pack, no, I didn't have one today. This was kind of a spur of the moment thing. I wasn't planning on coming out, to be honest. I was supposed to be somewhere else, and it just didn't work out. Got the drop down with the fingers all over it. Looks like kids, probably, but I don't see like the typical, kid nastiness in here. And it doesn't, I have no signs of Badussi in here. So that's a win. It is listed as a runner. Wonder what this thing will go for. I'll have to add this one to. I am looking at it though. An 08. Lost type, other. Okay. Well, I'm gonna add this to my watch list because I am looking for a Toyota. I don't know if I want a Sequoia. Every time I go to get a pickup truck, I end up with a Tahoe, a Suburban, or an Expedition. I never end up getting the pickup truck, and I'm ready for a damn pickup truck, man. I think it's time that I get a pickup. I don't know. Well, let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. All right, guys, let's see what else we got. Now, this F250 is definitely interesting to me, as is this F350. Well, let's look at the F250 first. Very nice. Got the steps on the side, wicked wheels, bed liners intact, got the Husky box. This is very nice. Long bed, crew cab, Super Duty, Power Stroke. Now the thing is, I hate when this happens. See that little tab right there that's broken? It literally, yeah, the whole thing ends up getting loose as the plastic gets brittle on these. Ooh, there's a skunk out here. I can smell it. Don't spray me, please. This is interesting. If it's got the 7.3, it's probably worth it. But if it doesn't have the 7.3, it's kind of like, eh. It's got keys. Does she have power? I'm willing to bet she's probably dead. Oh, the ignition is broken. That explains it. It's probably a theft recovery. Yeah. Radio's pulled. All these wires are pulled and cut. Who knows what is cut. Let's see a cable down there cut and pulled. Oof. That's not good. Damn. Well, it looked really positive on the outside. And then you see the nightmare on the inside. Let's look and see under the hood and see if she's a 7.3 or a 6 something. Oh yeah, old school 7.3. She's got no batteries either. Explains. Definitely looks clean though. I like the pipes. I like those pipes. Oh, it's got one battery. The other battery's missing now. Huh. Seeing the coolant stuff spraying and leaking like that isn't a positive. Huh. Well, we don't need to waste any time on that. We can move to the next one. Which brings me to this flatbed with the box F350. Now, this one has had some issues. You can see the digs in the paint here on the side. Same thing on that door. It's kind of buckled out. The fender, the logo, everything is missing here. Oh. And it says the loss type is a collision, so it definitely hit something. I mean, if you can't tell from the front. Bumper, headlight, hood, I'm not sure. Fender for sure. That headlight might be savable. This fender, I mean, it's not savable. You know, a couple fenders, some metal work on that door, a windshield, a light, and a front bumper. Pull out any of the infrastructure on the inside, you know, the core support that might be bent, and you could possibly have a really good, you know, hauling rig, something that you could pull, you know, a gooseneck or a big trailer where it's got that big fifth wheel. Let's look at the interior. Oh yeah, airbags. Oof, airbags are deployed everywhere. Yeah, that's why they totaled it. It wasn't really for the body work. It's for all those damn airbags. Oh well. That's gonna do that. That's gonna do that. You're not gonna see that one, but those airbags and stuff, I mean, it's probably gonna go for a ton of money too. It's got the 6.7. It is a run and drive. Huh. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. And last but not least, guys, how about an H2 Hummer? This is interesting to me. This is definitely interesting to me. She looks fairly clean. The hood is faded. Probably looks good on video, but she is faded. All the lights and stuff are here. The mirrors are here. The rack. Tires look good. They all match. The spare looks good. What's the date code on the spare? Oh yeah, somebody was taking care of this. Wow, this is not bad at all. This is not bad at all. For an H2? Oh, damn. Yeah, you know, you think you're seeing something positive, and then you see the whole dashboard disassembled. Yeah, she's dead at the door now, too. Non-start. No start, it says. The whole dash got screws coming out of it. That sucks. Because this was a beautiful little truck. Like a beautiful little Tahoe. This thing is clean as fuck, man. Outside of that, ugh, that sucks. Well, we ain't got to waste any time on that. Well, guys, I wanted to get you a walk around in with some of these trucks and see what you guys thought. But, yeah, man. Unfortunately, that's a wrap for this one. Just Jesus. Whew. Well, let me know what you guys think. All right, guys, kind of a short video, but I just wanted to get this in with you guys today. Get this walk around in and see what you guys thought about the different vehicles and stuff we saw today. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Major shout out to IAA for allowing me to come out here and do my thing. And I did find a couple of different interesting vehicles that I will be interested in to pick up this week. So stay tuned. And they're not, you know, lately I've been getting these newer vehicles, you know, 2019s, 2018s. I think I'm going to go back to the roots. I'm going to pick up some cheap cars, you know, like $400 or $500 cars, and kind of see how it goes from there. But anyways, that's going to do it for me. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will see you guys very soon on the next one.